law school admissions is conducted on a rolling basis, meaning that there's not really a hard and fast deadline for law school applications. You can apply whenever, anytime from like September until maybe even March or June the following year for the same cycle. So let's say you want to go to law school a year and a half from now, next fall. You could take the LSAT anytime this year, apply this fall, this winter, or even a year from now, and then go to law school in fall of 2020. You could do that. Law schools evaluate applications in the order in which they are received, but they also want to see who else is going to come along. So they might delay or waitlist a lot of people to see down the line. So you could apply in September and not even hear back till March. That's just the name of the game. They want to see who else comes along. But you're actually in the privileged position here because over the past 15 to 20 years, law schools have been springing up everywhere. There's more and more law schools all the time, but a couple of years ago, the number of people applying to law school started declining. So law schools are actually desperate for applicants, although they might not seem that way at first glance. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I wish you all the best and take care.